ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ ಈಗ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ there have been number of Nobel Prize winners on economics. Dr. Manmohan Singh, one person who was more than above those Nobel Prize winners. Not only that, all those knowledge of economics which he has acquired, he has utilized it on the field, and all conflicts were resolved, both the law and order, political, or economics. He is the one person, I think he marveled it and resolved it peacefully. Remember, during his regime as a Prime Minister, there was no conflict between Pakistan and India, no conflict between China and Pakistan, India, or Sri Lanka or this, or Bangladesh or this. He's a person, was practical enough to resolve all those problems peacefully and taking everybody into confidence.
Thank you.